Two black holes found each other in space and merged. I need you to understand the sequence of events here. Two objects, each one a point of infinite density where space and time break down completely and physics files for divorce, found each other across the void of space through the darkness. And then they did what black holes do when they find each other, which is orbit closer and closer and closer until they merge into one single larger black hole while releasing more energy than the entire visible universe emits in light in that same instant. And we detected it from 1.3 billion light years away with an instrument so sensitive it can measure a distortion in space smaller than 1/10,000th the width of a proton. We detected ripples in the fabric of space-time caused by two black holes merging 1.3 billion years ago. And I have been normal about this for exactly 0 days. Segment 1. What are gravitational waves and why do they exist? Einstein predicted gravitational waves in 1916 as part of general relativity. The idea, when massive objects accelerate, move, spin, orbit, collide, they create ripples in the fabric of space-time itself, like dropping a boulder into still water, except the water is the fundamental structure of the universe and the boulder is a black hole, and the ripples travel at the speed of light and pass through literally everything. For 100 years, nobody had directly detected them. Einstein himself thought we probably never would. The waves would be so tiny by the time they reached Earth that no instrument could possibly measure them. He published the prediction and then privately went, "Well, that's neat and also completely undetectable." Moving on. Einstein was wrong, which is a sentence that brings me enormous joy to say, not because I disrespect Einstein, the man was a genius, but because Einstein was wrong, being a thing that is sometimes true, means the universe is even more interesting than even Einstein thought it was. Segment 2. The merger itself, the most violent event in the universe. Let's talk about what actually happened 1.3 billion years ago in a galaxy far, far away, where two stellar mass black holes had the audacity to find each other. The two black holes, each roughly 30 times the mass of our sun, had been spiraling toward each other for a very long time, orbiting, getting closer. As they orbited, they emitted gravitational waves which carried energy away from the system. Losing energy meant losing orbital height. They spiraled inward, slowly at first, then faster. In the final fraction of a second before merger, the two black holes were orbiting each other 250 times per second. Two objects each 30 times the mass of our sun, each a region of space from which not even light can escape, spinning around each other 250 times every single second. The gravitational waves they were emitting in those final moments contained more power than all the stars in the visible universe emitting light simultaneously. All of that power, released in a fraction of a second, into ripples in the fabric of space. Segment 3. How LIGO detected it. LIGO, the Laser Interferometer, Gravitational Wave Observatory, is two L-shaped detectors, one in Louisiana and one in Washington State, each with arms 2.5 miles long. Inside those arms, laser light bounces back and forth between mirrors. If a gravitational wave passes through, it stretches space in one direction and compresses it in the other, and the laser can detect the change in arm length. The change it's detecting when a gravitational wave from a billion light years away passes through, about 1/10,000th the width of a proton. A proton is about 0.0000000000001 centimeters across. 1/10,000th of that. LIGO measured that. LIGO, an instrument built by humans who evolved on a rock in a solar system that is less than 0.00000000001% of the age of the universe, measured a distortion in space smaller than anything with a normal name. We built an instrument to feel the universe breathe. That's what LIGO is. A stethoscope pressed to the chest of space-time. Segment 4. What comes next? Since that first detection on September 14th, 2015, called GW150914, not a glamorous name, but history doesn't wait for branding. LIGO and its partner detector Virgo have detected dozens more gravitational wave events, black hole mergers, neutron-star mergers, and in 2017, a neutron-star merger that was simultaneously observed in light by telescopes around the world, giving us the first full multi-messenger observation of a cosmic event. We saw and felt the same event at the same time, with completely different instruments. Like watching a film while also hearing the score performed live by an orchestra you didn't know was there. The next generation of detectors is coming. Einstein Telescope in Europe, Cosmic Explorer in the US instruments so sensitive they'll detect mergers from across the observable universe. We will eventually have a gravitational wave map of the cosmos, a constant low hum of merging black holes and neutron stars. The universe's heartbeat rendered audible for the first time. Outrow 1.3 billion years ago. Two black holes that had probably been spiraling toward each other for millions of years finally merged. The event lasted less than a second. It released more energy than the combined light of every star in the visible universe. The ripples from that event traveled across space for 1.3 billion years, through galaxy clusters, through dark matter, through the cosmic web, through the neighborhood of our solar system, through Earth, through you. In fact, gravitational waves pass through everything, including your body, all the time. You just can't feel them because they're so small. On September 14th, 2015, a detector in Louisiana felt one of those ripples before the detector in Washington, because Louisiana is slightly closer to where the signal was coming from. The 7-millisecond difference between detections told us which direction it came from. We caught a ripple in space-time, figured out what direction it came from based on a 7-millisecond delay, and traced it back to a merger that happened before complex life existed on Earth. Honestly, we're kind of incredible. Don't tell anyone. It'll go to our heads. Like and subscribe. The universe is vibrating. Can you feel it?